Mastering relative adverbs, the power of why. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our exciting journey into the realm of English grammar. Today, we are delving into a special topic within the universe of relative clauses. It's time to unlock the power of why as a relative adverb. This little word plays a crucial role in our language, and understanding its usage will add depth and clarity to your English communication. Remember, mastering small elements of English, like the word why, can significantly improve your overall language skills. To fully appreciate the power of why as a relative adverb, we first need to understand what relative adverbs are. Relative adverbs are a special group of words used to connect clauses or sentences. They include where, when, and of course, our superstar of the day, why. These words answer the questions where, when, and why, respectively. Typically, relative adverbs introduce relative clauses, which provide additional information about a noun or a noun phrase. Let's get down to business and see how the word why fits into this role. In the role of a relative adverb, why is used to introduce a relative clause that gives information about or explains the reason for something. Essentially, it allows you to tell someone the reason behind a specific action, decision, or event. Consider this example. Do you know the reason why she left early? In this sentence, why is the relative adverb that introduces the relative clause, why she left early, explaining the reason for her early departure. An important point to remember is that why as a relative adverb is often used after the nouns reason, cause, or purpose. This aligns with its role in explaining the why or reason behind something. Although why is used in formal writing and speech to introduce reasons, in everyday conversation, it's often dropped from sentences. For example, instead of saying, "The reason why I'm late is that my car broke down," many people would simply say, "The reason I'm late is that my car broke down." Both sentences are correct, but the second one is more common in informal conversation. Remember this key point. While why as a relative adverb adds clarity to our expressions, its use in everyday speech is often optional, depending on the formality of the conversation. And that's a wrap on why as a relative adverb. I hope this lesson has made this part of English grammar clearer for you. Remember, practice is key in mastering any new grammatical concept, so I encourage you to use why as a relative adverb in your writing and speaking from now on. Until our next grammar adventure, keep practicing and happy learning.